Today I am going to show you unboxing, setting up, and installing the HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 printer. The first thing we're going to do is open the box, so pop the tape and pry back the flaps. The first thing you'll find is the setup poster. This is the basic setup instructions for your printer, similar to what we are showing in this video. Next is the Get Started guide, which includes additional information on features for your printer and has some basic troubleshooting. Here we have the HP Instant Ink card for this printer. In some countries, HP offers a subscription service for replacement ink on certain printer models. If you subscribe, your printer orders ink automatically based on the subscription plan you choose. This is not available for all HP printers. Here is the printer's power cord. HP recommends always using the power cord shipped with your printer. And for faxing, here is a 2-wire phone cable for setting up your fax line. This 2-wire phone cable supplied with your printer is best for faxing. Next, you'll find the installation CD for both Windows and Mac. If in the future you misplace this disk, you can download the software and drivers at 123.hp.com. And here you will find a complete set of 952 setup cartridges. These cartridges are required for the initial setup of your printer. Replacement cartridges bought from the store cannot be used for this setup. Next, rotate the box on its side so you can remove the printer. Remove the styrofoam end caps from both sides of the printer and then set them aside for recycling. Grab the plastic bag containing the printer and slide it out of the box. Set the box aside for recycling. All packing materials in the box are recyclable. For more information, go to hp.com/recycle. Remove the printer from the plastic bag. Next, remove all the visible blue tape, clear protective plastic, and styrofoam from around the printer. Go to the back of the printer and remove the tape from the back and sides. Remove any remaining protective plastic. Return to the front, lift the scanner lid, remove the styrofoam sheet, and close the scanner lid. Slide out the input tray and continue removing the tape and other packing materials. Slide out the paper guides and slide in the input tray. Slide out the paper guides in the automatic document feeder. Now let's connect the power cord. Go to the back of the printer. Remove the twist tie from the power cord and then plug it into the port. Make sure it's firmly in place. Plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. HP recommends using a wall outlet for best performance of your printer. Once plugged in, power on the printer. From the printer control panel, you will have to choose your language. Select your language and then touch Yes. Then select your country or region and touch Confirm. Set the date and touch Continue. Then set the time and touch Continue. Touch Continue Setup. Select how you want to manage your printer. For most home users, select Self-Managed and then press Continue. Now we are going to install the cartridges that came with the printer. Lift the ink cartridge access door up and push it back. Grab the bundled cartridges and remove the plastic. The order of the cartridges in the bundle might not match the order in which they are installed in the carriage. Avoid contacting the copper contacts or ink port to prevent potential clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Starting with the cyan cartridge, insert it into the corresponding slot in the printer. Push in until you feel it snap into place. Next, install the magenta cartridge, then the yellow, and lastly, the black. With all the cartridges installed, close the ink cartridge access door. The printer prompts you to load paper. Slide out the input tray and pull it all the way out of the printer. Load unused plain white paper in the tray and adjust the paper width and length guides. Touch OK and then touch Continue to initialize the printer. The printer will align the print head and print out a page. Now you can set up the software for your printer from either a Windows computer, Mac, or your mobile device. On your computer, open a web browser. Go to 123.hp.com/setup. On HP's site, click Download, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete setting up your printer. Open the file and read and respond to the prompts to complete the software setup. For further information or assistance with setting up the software for your printer, visit hp.com/support videos. This has been the unboxing, setup, and installation of the HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 printer.